Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to comment with a sticker on TikTok. First, open your browser or any sticker website and download the sticker you want to use. Make sure you save it as a PNG file with a transparent background because that will look better when posted. You can download several stickers so you have different options ready to use later. Once the stickers are saved, they will be available in your phone's gallery. Next, open the TikTok app and find the video where you want to leave your comment. Tap on the video to open it, then tap on the comment icon on the right side of the screen. This will bring up the comments section at the bottom. Normally, you would type your message here, but if you look closely, you will also see an option to add an image from your gallery. This option is the key to posting stickers. Tap on the gallery icon, and your phone's images will open. From here, scroll until you find the sticker that you downloaded earlier. Select the sticker PNG file, and it will be inserted into your comment. If you want, you can also type a short message along with the sticker to make your comment clearer. When you are ready, tap the send button. Your sticker will now appear in the comments section of that video. Other people watching the video will be able to see your sticker comment just like they see images or text. This is how you can comment with stickers on TikTok. Thanks for watching.